Today I'm going to tell you all you need to know about Ocuprime before you purchase it. I also have two very important warnings for you to consider before you listen to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Ocuprime is to be cautious about the website from which you intend to purchase it, as Ocuprime is only available through the official website. On the internet, there are several websites that sell counterfeit goods. Purchasing from the official site ensures that you will receive the product in good condition, as this is why you purchased it in the first place. As a result, if you purchase from other markets, you risk not receiving your goods or receiving one that is not allowed by the manual. To assist you, I've included a link to the official website in the video description. So, what exactly is PRI and does it work? PRI has a potent blend of vitamins and plants, including beta-carotene, lutein, omega-3 lycopene and vitamin C, A and E. Ocuprime promotes health and lowers the chance of disorders, including cataracts, myopia, and astigmatism. Kurata Kanis keeps your eyes lubricated and saves you money. And the answer is yes, Ocuprime work. Researchers discovered that Ocuprime is a full recipe, clinically proved to support the health of your eyes, keeping them strong and healthy at all times after extensive laboratory testing. So certainly, Ocuprime may be trusted. Many people have already reported positive outcomes with Ocuprime, and you can too. However, keep in mind that each individual will react differently. This is obvious, but I'm stating it. So, you can be realistic about your therapy and expectations. You should be aware of one very crucial aspect of this product before purchasing it. Ocuprime is a cutting-edge health supplement on the market today. In fact, the meal manufacturer is so confident that Ocuprime will improve your eye health by providing constant good lubrication and strengthening them that they are willing to refund every bottle with a 100% G. If you're not happy with the features that Ocuprime has to offer, the company will give you a complete refund. Simply contact customer service within the first 60 days of receiving your order. They will refund your money regardless of whether you have used the entire bottle or not. This means you have 2 months to decide whether Prime is the best fit for you. There are no hidden costs or subscriptions. It's just a straightforward, safe transaction. You must also take PRI seriously in order for it to function. According to experts, you should give yourself at least 60 days to reap the full benefits. The capsules are little and straightforward to consume. They're roughly the size of a multivitamin, and you can get the full effect by taking one capsule in the morning with breakfast and one at night with dinner. That's all you'll need to obtain a strong dosage of PRI's, powerful plant extracts, vitamins, and antioxidants. But if you want to see the benefits, do this every time. You will become frustrated with yourself if you do not. It's also critical to understand that Ocuprime has no negative effects because it's made entirely of natural substances. So, I wanted to make this video first to warn you about the website where you'll be purchasing Ocuprime. I sincerely hope that this video has helped you and that Ocuprime is able to assist you in improving your health and reaping the many other benefits that this product offers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like to help us share this useful information with others who are interested. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. Have a nice day.